been reaching for something within you. I know you feel this movement right here. You just be vibing, reaching for something within you.
I got the cake! It's so pretty! Uwi na tayo at mag-prepare pa kami. And then, hopefully makasurvive siya sa biyahe. Ang ganda. Ang cute. Nakuha nila yung yung sinend ko na photo. Okay, let's go! We're on our way to Fangamata. Tapos yung cake nandyan lang siya sa likod. Yung dinadaanan namin ngayon is paliko-liko. So sana makasurvive tong ating cake. Pagdating doon, patignan ko na lang siguro kay Brian muna. Kasi baka mamaya pag ko, makita ko na agad yung color. Yeah. And then we're 40 minutes away. Lapit na. Nakikita ko na siya.
Try mo mabasa ba mahal?
Hindi.
Nakabalo siya dito?
Ayan.
Welcome to Fangamata! Para kasama sa sa vlog.
Tara, Labi.
Okay, we will check. Yeah, it's still intact. Do you want me to carry it?
Yep, you can carry it.
When we reach here, we can already see the color. Oh, really? But it's okay. This is this lemon?
Yes.
It's so big. Sunny, wala namang ulan.
Hand me that over. I will wash it.
How's the drive? How's the road?
Blood dries up and stops coming through, then it's pretty good sign that it's past medium.
Cheers!
Merry Christmas again. Merry Christmas again.
So, how much is this, Bri? How much is the, like, one?
50.
50, okay na.
50.
$50, okay na, no? actually medyo late na. This is our only full day here in Pangamata. And tutor kami ni Gareth. May pupuntahan kaming lookout. And we'll see. Medyo nakikita na namin from here. Yan ata yung beach na napuntahan natin, no? Medyo hindi kami prepared sa hike na to, kaya ako naghiram lang ako ng shoes from Brian, and then yung isa naka-sleepers lang to. Ayan. Okay. Yeah, let's go. Okay. Hindi, okay na ako.
Yung malalaki. Kunin mo yung mga malalaki.
Hello. Oh, may tungkod ka na.
Ito.
I got my tungkod.
We walked here before. We always walk there.
Remember when we did that big walk? We went all the way down there and then along there and then around it.
I love it.
Yeah.
Welcome to Pangamata.
Pag ganito na mga naglalakad ako or mga bumabiyahe tayo, ayun, parang tahimik siya. Pero the moment na nag-stop na, tapos nakahiga or nakaupo, ayun, doon na siya gagalaw. Preparing our lunch, baked sushi, tapos mamayang gabi magba-barbecue kami. Kakauwi lang namin, galing kami dun sa location ng magiging gender reveal namin mamaya. And so far, yung weather is okay, kaya we're expecting a really beautiful sunset. Hopefully, fingers crossed.
Ganda ng location natin, mahal, oh.
Ayun, may water na. So, pumunta kasi kami dito kanina, wala pang tubig yan. Very, low tide.
May tao.
Magkakayak sila. Yan, sana yung
Gagawin natin.
yung gawin, no?
Saan tayo, Labi? In here? Okay.
Right, dito kami sa aming cute na location. Ayan, kanina wala pang tubig yan. Tapos ngayon meron na. Tapos may mga nagkakayak dyan sa baba. Pakita ko yung aming setup. Okay, so naglatag lang kami ng mat. And then naglagay lang ako ng ultrasound photo. And then this one with flowers. Ayan. And then we'll put our cake in the middle. Tapos our cameras. Yan. So, wala talaga nakakaalam sa aming apat kung ano yung gender sa family din. So, ang gagawin namin, mag-video call lang sila. Tapos kami-kami lang yung nandito. Sabi ko gusto ko ng girl. Kasi wala pang girl na apo in our family. And then sa side naman nila, Jill, it's their first apo. So, it doesn't matter. But Jill wants a boy. So, we'll see. You think boy?
I feel like it's a boy.
Pero yun yung guess mo, pero anong gusto mo?
Kahit ano naman,
Basta healthy na.
nasa healthy. Pero nafe-feel ko it's a boy.
Okay, Garrett na na-guess. Nephew daw. So it's a boy. Oh, 'di ba? Wala talaga akong team girl. I think si Mami nung una, si Linlin. Nung una si Mami sabi niya girl. Tapos nag-change siya ng mind, boy. Sa side ko naman, puro sila boy. Boy talaga.
Tandahan. Baka maano yung cake ha.
Hayaan na natin yun. Kasi baka may something.
They stapler it as well.
Ganda mo yung labi ah.
Talaga?
Mm-mm.
Pangit ko na lately.
Hmm? Maganda yung suot mo.
Ni? Ito?
What time flight nyo sa Monday?
6 a.m.
Ingat-ingat.
Okay, let's
Ingat-ingat. Ingat-ingat.
ready na. It's a boy.
Oh yes.
May cellphone. Oh, so this location is suggested by Garrett.
Thank you, Gareth.
Yeah,
Thank you so much. Yeah,
Siya din yung namin. Siya din yung host namin
Yeah.
dito sa Pangamata.
for 3 days and 2 nights.
Para accommodating us and then for driving us as well.
Bernie Ross.
Bernie Ross.
My mum's friend.
Wow. Okay.
From Tauranga. And she's an amazing artist. Purchase her works.
Oh.
Okay, cheers! It's a boy! Team boy!